How to add product categories in Shopify. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and having product categories on your Shopify store will definitely improve your conversion, as this will make it easier for customers to navigate through your store, especially if you sell numerous products. So to get started, once on your Shopify admin page, you are going to go over to the top left hand corner and you are going to select products. After selecting products, I want you to tap on collections. Once you have selected collections, you are going to tap on create collections. And from here, let's say for example, I'm running a general dropshipping store and I want to create a category around the kitchen items that I sell. So the first category that I'm going to be creating is utensils. So I would name this collection utensils. So I'm going to type in that right here. Then after I've done that, I would scroll down and you have two options. You can either select automated, on which items will be added to this collection via tag or so on, or you could select manual, on which you'll be able to add the product. For this example, I will select manual. Then you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. After selecting save, I want you to create a second collection, just for example's sake. So I'm going to tap on creation again, create collection again. Then I'm going to create a collection by the name of blenders. Then I'll select manual again in collection type. And I'm going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Now that I've created two collections, all I'll have to do now is scroll down. Right where you see products, you're going to tap on browse. And for example, I would add the blenders. Then I'll tap on add. After you have added the products to the collection, you'll go back. And then for example, I'm going to select utensils. So I'll tap on utensils and I'm going to add the utensils. So I would scroll down right where you see browse. I'm going to tap right there. Let's say for example these were utensils. I'll tap on add, and once you have added the products, what I want you to do next is go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see online store, you're going to tap on that. After selecting online store, from here you're going to tap on pages. Then you are going to create pages. You are going to tap on add page in the top right hand corner. And remember, I had created two collections. So I'm going to rename the pages, the collections that I had created. So the first page would be utensils. Then I'm going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. After I've done that, I'm going to go back. Then I'm going to create another page by the name of blenders. So I'm going to tap on add page, then I'm going to type in blenders. Then I'm going to tap on save in the top right hand corner again. After you have done that, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select navigation. Once you have selected navigation, you will be redirected to this page, on which you can either choose to add a new menu overall, or you could select main menu. Once you have selected main menu, you will see the home, catalog, and contact, and you are going to tap on add menu. After you have tapped on add menu, as I said, I'm creating categories for kitchen items on my general store. So I'm going to name the main category kitchen. Then I'm going to tap on link. After I've selected link, I'm going to select pages. And from here, I'm going to select blenders. Then I'm going to tap right there again and I'm going to select pages. And from here, I'm going to select utensils. By the way, you could also add collections. So you could tap on collections right there and you could add the collections. So for example, you could add the blender collection. Then you'll tap on add, or you could add the home page, for example's sake. Then I'll tap on add. After selecting navigation, what I want you to do next is select main menu. Once you have selected main menu, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you are going to tap on Add Menu Item. After selecting Add Menu Item, remember I'm creating category around kitchen products. So I'm going to type in kitchen. Then the link could be back to the home page. I could tap that, or I could select collections and link it back to the kitchen collections. So from there, I could create a collections in collection that has all of the kitchen products, and you could link it to that page. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Add. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Add Menu Item. And from here, you'll be able to add the subcategories. So I'm going to add the first subcategory, which is the blenders. So I'm going to name it blenders. Then I'm going to tap on link. After selecting link, from here, you can select collections. And after selecting collections, you are going to tap on blenders. Then you are going to tap on add. And after doing that, you are going to pull the blender slightly to the right, or the first subcategory slightly to the right. Then below it, you are going to see add menu item, and you are going to tap on that. Then from here, I would add the second category, which was utensils. Then I'm going to tap on link, and right where you see collections, I'm going to tap right there. Then from here, I would select the utensils collection. Then I'm going to tap on add. And after doing that, all you'll have to do now is scroll down and select save menu. After you have saved the menu, if you would like to pull it further up, so let's say for example, I want it to be right below home, I could put it right there, then tap on save. After saving it, I will go over to the left-hand menu option, and let's say for example I were to tap on view online store so that you could see the changes. This will carry me to my online store, and you can see right there kitchen, and by tapping on it you can see the different categories. And if I were to tap on blenders, from here you would see the blenders that I've added. Then if I were to tap on that again and select utensils, you would see the utensils right here that I've added. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And by the way, I would not recommend adding a lot of categories, as this can become confusing in the future. But adding categories to your Shopify store can definitely improve customer engagement, and also it would improve their navigation, and more than likely will improve the conversion rate of your Shopify